In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to upload a mockup for your shirt. So I'm at placeit.net, and when we're at this website, you do have to sign up for this, and it is a paid subscription as well. But I do highly recommend this because what you can do is build shirt mockups. So let's go here. So on the top left, you're going to see mockups, and once you click on mockups, you're going to click on t-shirts. Once you're on this page, you're going to see mockup generators for your t-shirts. And as you can already see, when I'm scrolling down, you can see so many options for your t-shirts. And this is great because now you can pick and choose whatever style you want to pick. I'm just going to choose something simple, and I'm just going to choose the one with the yellow just because it just has a nice background color and it looks like a simple design. So we're in the design page right now, and on the left you're going to see upload design, and you're going to click on upload image. And then once you press this button, you're going to find the image that you want to upload. Okay, now I'm at the image that I have uploaded, so I'm going to upload this design. And as you can see, I have made a shirt mockup, and I am going to use a different background. So I think that looks okay, so I'm going to press download.